Hola.
Hola.
I'm gonna do my face real quick. It is so hot in my room. Oh my god. I'm gonna be sweating while I do my makeup.
Not the worst.
You would know, right? Do you just hate doing your makeup when it's hot?
Yeah.
And I get sweat on my nose, so I'm gonna have like a puddle of sweat. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a makeup tutorial for you guys. I am currently in my beauty room right now. If you guys haven't watched my beauty room tour, make sure you guys go watch that. I'll link it down below for you. Today is gonna be a very casual get ready with me. I love doing these. I feel the most comfortable when I'm just kind of sitting at my vanity hanging out with you guys. And today Carlos and I are going to do some shopping and just hanging out for the day. My hair is up in a bun. I haven't done a bun in a really long time. If you guys want a tutorial on this, I believe that I included it in a vlog, but if you just want like a hair tutorial, let me know. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is moisturize my face. I like moisturizing my face before I do my eyebrows, just so the product could kind of just sink into my skin. Bye, thank you.
Bye.
So I've been using this for a while actually. I don't really remember how long, but I think that it was when I was still living in my family's home. This is the Kiehl's this is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. It's like this. Kiehl's is quite expensive, but the products are so good. I'm gonna also put on some chapstick. This is my favorite from Sephora. It's the Smith's Strawberry Lip Balm. These are really good. They're super moisturizing. This is the part where I'm gonna go in and do my brows. I'm not really sure what look we're doing today, but we are playing with the new Kathleen Lights palette with ColourPop Cosmetics. I'm using the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil, which is my holy grail. I love it so much. It's just really easy to use, and the product is really nice and blendable, and you can make really nice hair-like strokes. There are other pencils in the collection, but Precisely My Brow Pencil is my favorite just because I have really thin brow hair. So it's really easy for me to go in between and kind of do like flicking motions and make hair-like strokes. You can also do a bold brow with this as well, so it's very versatile as well. I do have, I believe, 2 eyebrow tutorials. I'll link those down below as well. I've been so obsessed with cleaning my eyebrows with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I've been using the color Vanilla, which is the same color that I use for under my eyes. And this one is so good. It's not like too thick where you can't kind of blend things out and carve out your brows. It's honestly just the most perfect formula for literally anything on your face. So I'm going to put a little bit right here, and I'm going to carve out my brows. And then one of my favorite products is the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder. I was gonna say brow something else. And in the color 5. Oh, by the way, in the Precisely My Brow Pencil, I'm in the color 6. And I just gently kind of fill in the sparse areas. Sometimes I just wish I only had to do one eyebrow and then just like take that and like turn it around and put it on here. Duplicating and making the second eyebrow look like the first one is just so difficult, especially when you have brows like me and they're just out of this world, sometimes very uneven. I love to go in to finish off this eyebrow with the Tarte Cosmetics Busy Gal Brows. So I like to gently brush this on my eyebrow hair just to make sure that everything stays in place. For foundation today, I am going for pretty much full coverage. I've been really into full coverage lately. This is the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation in the color 120. And this is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in 01 Creamy Vanilla. They really need new shades, like more shades for this this formula because it's so good. So I'm hoping that's like happening pretty soon. But these are my two favorite, or yeah, two of my favorite drugstore foundations. I do have other ones, but I do really like these. And I've never mixed them before, so I'm pretty excited to see what kind of finish it's gonna give me. But first and foremost, we are going to prime. Now this is a new product that I just received in PR. This is the ColourPop Cosmetics All-Star Matte and Blur Primer. It has a very velvety feel. I really like that feeling. This was my first time combining these two foundations and I am literally obsessed. Super buttery and full coverage. It is so beautiful. It's extremely velvety. It feels so nice on the skin. Also, please keep in mind that the Milani foundation oxidizes, and their color range is pretty low too, so that's why I'm actually in the lightest color they have. Ooh, you guys, this is beautiful. And you know what? It's affordable. Babe, look how good this foundation is. Look how good this foundation is. Look at my skin. Doesn't it look so good?
Yeah.
It's like not cakey or like, you know?
It's like that one time I did your makeup.
Okay, bye.
Love you.
Love you. Let's do our concealer now. I'm going in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Light 18. Oh my god, you guys, I love this product so much. It is so affordable. I love it. I think this is my color. I moved, so I'm not really sure where my actual colors are. I was really bad at packing. So we are going to, this is light neutral, but I love this formulation. And I think it's like $5, you guys. Such a deal. It like blurs out everything. I love it. I'm using a new powder today that I've never tried before. This is the ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder. And this is in translucent. I'm also going to go in and finish the powder part off with my Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin Powder in the color 20 and kind of dab and finish that off. For bronzer, I'm going to go in with this Tarte Cosmetics Park Avenue Princess palette, and I'm going to go in with the color Princess Cut, which is this light brown right here. I'm going to use that color to carve out my cheeks. For blush today, I'm gonna go in with a Morphe Brushes blush palette. It looks like this. These are like my favorite blush colors. It's very neutral, very easy to wear. I'm gonna go with Unapologetic, Sweet, mix those two together. And for highlight, I'm gonna go in with ColourPop Fire Super Shock Cheek. This color right here, it's really pretty. I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and dab that in. I actually like this one more than the other one. The other day I used the on the Cusp one. I actually like I actually like Fire more. Fire is really pretty. It has a very nice gold tint to it. Works very well with my skin. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face right now just so all the powders can settle in, and then we'll finish off with our eyes and lips. So I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Koopa, say hi. Say hi, Koopa. Koopy, 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 Koopy. Koopy, say hi. My god, you're so big. Okay, moving on to the eyes, we are using this palette today. This is the Zodiac palette, which is Kathleen Light's collaboration with ColourPop. I'm gonna go in with the color Taurus right here, and I'm going to put that on my crease area. And this is a Morphe R39. So I'm basically taking this color and I'm dabbing it from my crease down to my lash line. I'm gonna take the other side of the brush and blend out that edge. Now I'm going to mix these two colors together, which is Aries and Leo. And then I'm gonna go in with Shayla's collaboration with ColourPop called Boomin'. And I'm going to take a little bit of this and put it on my eyelids. So basically this is what our eyes look like so far. Can you guys hear Carlos showering? While my lashes are drying, I'm going to line my lips with the Jouer Cosmetics Long Wear Cream Lip Liner in the color Sable. And then I'm gonna go in with the Marc Jacobs Lip Gloss in Uproar. It's this really nice color. I thought it would go really pretty with the eyes. I love these glosses. The look turned out so pretty, you guys, and it was so simple and easy to do. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, you guys. I hope you guys loved this video. Don't forget to comment down below, subscribe, and like, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you are notified every single time I upload a new video. I love the way that the look turned out. Okay, bye, love you.